Welcome to the Teach Me Forex weekly wrap-up for the week ending January 8th, 2010. Let's get right into it. How did we do this week? Well, in our intraday room, we called out 19 trades. We had 17 winners, 2 losers for a grand total of 260 pips. Our ROI in our intraday room was 8.2%. In our swing and position room, ladies and gentlemen, we called out 10 trades. We had 5 winners, 5 losers for a total of 310 pips. And look at that, an ROI of 5%. And folks, that's for the week for both of our rooms. We're going to get into our intraday wrap-up. We're going to talk about some charts. We're going to show you our spreadsheet. And once again, we had 260 pips in our intraday live team trade room with 8.2% ROI. Alright, so that's our spreadsheet over there, and as you can see, we've got our winners, we've got our losers. Coach Wally does a fantastic job of logging every single trade that we do call out in our intraday team trade room. And in fact, we have Coach Wally with us, so Wally, I'm going to actually pass the charts over to you so you can show us what you have up on your screen.
Great.
There you go.
We entered the room on Thursday, January 7th. with a new low at a price point of about 143.20 on the euro-dollar pair. 3 candles later, this trade was validated by the retracement back to the 38.2% Fibo level at 43.31 with a PPA, a minimum PPA down to 43.09. So let's see what unfolded over the course of the first hour of our session. Price continued up, bounced off the 50% Fibo level, the SMA 21, and started coming down with a nice engulfing candle, or close to engulfing candle. Well, let's see where we actually were. On the 7:55 candle, price broke. On the 8 o'clock candle, price exceeded the PPA, and let's ultimately see where that nice little trade went. Now remember, all we were looking for were 10 pips, and I believe we got 18 or 22. I'll hand it back to you, Rish.
Great. Thank you very much, Coach Wally. Very nice trade as well. Very nice trade. And as Wally was alluding to, we do take 10 net pips in our intraday team trade room and looking for 10 net pips in our first account. And we're going to talk about the power of 10 really quickly. So what does 10 net pips do for us? Well, first of all, a pip is price in point. It's the smallest increment of measure of a currency. And the more money you have in your account, the more that pip can be worth with the money management that we teach. But to keep it simple, let's just start off with $2,000, and we're looking at 10 net pips. Compounding with the power of 10, what does that equal? Well, it equals 2,170. And we teach you to do that on a daily basis, on a consistent basis. Alright, now let's get over to our swing and position wrap-up, and let's talk about our swing and position live team trade room. 310 pips, ladies and gentlemen, for 5% ROI. Very nice week. So once again, that's 10 trades, 5 winners, 5 losers for 310 pips with a 5% ROI. And Coach Eric, I'm going to pass this over to you so you can tell us a little bit more.
Beautiful. Thank you, Rish. Thank you, thank you. Alright, the screen, here it is. And this week I selected to talk about the yen. We picked out a nice bottom on the yen. So first, how the trade got set up is we had a nice healthy uptrend going on. And finally, after waiting a long time, we got the retracement that we were looking for. And near the bottom of this retracement, we hit the 38% Fibonacci. And as this blue candle was forming, our indicators started telling us we might be at a potential bottom. So as this candle closed, we got the signal to take a buy trade. So we took a buy trade, and the blue candle started showing up. We were able to take a little partial profit along the way over here. We had a little bit of a retracement, then a nice big surge, and we were able to take more profits up top there. With our final lots that were taken out on this red candle, somewhere just below the 0% Fibonacci there. So for a combined profits per lot of 126 pips. So that's one of the good trades we took this week. And I think I'll pass it back to you now, Rish.
Great. Thank you very much, Coach Eric, and great trade on the yen over there. Okay, so let us continue over here. So what does this actually mean as far as money is concerned? Well, we'd like to introduce to you Mr. Tommy Trader. He's our hypothetical trader. And in Teach Me Forex, we actually teach you a diversified account portfolio. But for the purpose of the wrap-up, let's just keep it simple and say that Tommy trades two accounts. One is his intraday or day trading account, and the other one, we're going to call it our swing trading account. So to start off the year, Tommy funds his account with $2,000 each. Now let's see where Tommy is at today at the end of this week. So once again, our day trading account, we look for 10 net pips per day. We of course are allowed to take more, but you know what? Let's just log 10 net pips, and this way we can compound with the power of 10. And of course, in our swing account, we take all our potential setups. Alright, so intraday account number one, we start off with $2,000. Our week ending is $2,170. Swing account, of course, starting off with $2,000 as well, and we're finishing off with $2,100. So for a weekly, we have $270. Alright, accumulated for the year, of course we're in our first week, so it's exactly the same thing, $270 for the week. Alright, so once again, that's our trade breakdown. That's what Tommy did. And at Teach Me Forex, what do? Well, we teach you how to fish. We don't just give it to you. So come and join us in our team trade rooms and come fishing with us. Allow us to be your fishing guides and let us help you supplement your current income. And for more information, all you need to do is go to teachmeforex.com. You're going to find all sorts of great information there, including our team trade rooms, Teach Me Forex Now, as well as our weekly results. And to follow us on a daily basis to see how we're doing, twitter.com/teachmeforex. Go ahead and you can join up over there. And if you have any questions, comments, if you want to find out anything about Teach Me Forex, by all means, feel free to drop us a line at info@teachmeforex.com. And help us fulfill our vision. What is our vision? To create the largest team of successful online currency traders in the world, one trader at a time. Have a great weekend, everyone, and we'll see you next week.